In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and verify your Kucoin account in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to dive into the world of crypto trading, having an account on a reliable platform like Kucoin is an excellent starting point. Throughout this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your account with ease, ensuring you can start trading crypto confidently. First, we're going to head over to the Kucoin website. You can easily find it by typing in Kucoin on your preferred web browser, or by visiting www.kucoin.com. The platform is known for its straightforward user interface, so navigating through it should feel intuitive. Once you're on the Kucoin homepage, you're just a few clicks away from starting your crypto journey. Now, let's look for the Create Account button, typically found on the top right of the web page. Clicking on it will take you to the registration page where you'll be prompted to input some basic information. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and create a strong, secure password. It's advisable to use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account remains protected. After filling in your details, look for an option labeled or Continue with. This feature allows you to link your Kucoin account with other services for a streamlined login experience in the future. Choose whichever option suits your needs best. Once that step is completed, it's time to verify your email. Kucoin will send a confirmation email to the address you registered with. Go to your inbox and click on the verification link provided. This crucial step will ensure that your account is valid and ready for action. With your email verified, you're now ready to set up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, shielding it from unauthorized access. Most platforms recommend using an authenticator app on your smartphone for this purpose. Finally, explore the platform a bit. Familiarize yourself with the trading dashboard, check out the various cryptocurrencies available, and take some time to understand the exchange's fee structure. Kucoin offers numerous features, such as margin trading and futures, so it's worth spending some time discovering all it has to offer to maximize your trading potential. And there you have it. You've successfully created and verified your Kucoin account. This puts you one step closer to engaging with the cryptocurrency market. Remember, always keep your account information secure, stay informed about market trends, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy trading! And welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency with Kucoin.